Hello, my name is Muhammad Fadli Lizilikram. Today, me and my partner would like to explain about stem cutting.
And my name is Renul Binanggita. A plant cutting is a piece of a plant that used in horticulture of vegetative asexual propagation. A piece of the stem or root of the source plant is placed in a suitable medium such as moist soil. If the conditions are suitable, the plant piece will begin to grow as a new plant independent of the parent, a process known as tricking. A stem cutting produces new roots and a new cutting produces new stem. Some plants can be grown from leaf piece called leaf cuttings, which produce both stem and roots.
Step 1. Assemble the material. Before you begin the cutting, make sure to assemble your supply. Okay, like this. And step 2, prepare the soil. Okay, fill the transplant container with the soil and make level. Now it's time to prepare the soil for planting the stem cutting. Okay, the soil is prepared with a mixture of sand and garden soil, like this in the proportion of mixture 1 ratio 4 till the time the cutting develop few leaf. It does not require any. Okay, step 3, add water to soil. Water the soil you just place in the transplant container. You want the soil moist. Okay, you want soil moist before the cutting press in. Okay, step 4, take a cutting from your selected plant. Me and my partner select this plant. Okay, cutting should be about 4 to 6 inches and 45 degree, like this. In between the lowermost nodes of the stem cutting, a cut of about 55 degrees is made. Like this. Okay, step 5, remove lower leaf. Okay, remove lower leaf before potting. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. And part of the cutting put into the soil should be free of leaf. Buang. Ini buang. 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 Buang.
Okay, step 6, insert into soil. Okay, first we need to stick the first cutting into the soil. Okay, like this. After that, form the soil around the cutting by gently patting it down. We must form the soil, form. Uh, after depending on the size of the pot, you can fit as many cuttings as possible into the available space. Okay. Uh, Push them down so that about half the tip is below the surface. Place in plastic bag. Create a greenhouse by placing the entire pot into a plastic bag. And seal the bag. Examine weekly to make sure the plant does not rot from too much moisture. Okay, step 7, the last step, let them grow. Okay, wait patiently while your new cutting takes root. Locate the pot and cutting in a neutrally facing location out of district sunlight. We need to sunlight sun. This helps to prevent them drying out the air within the bag from becoming overly hot and humid. Depending on the plant temperature, humidity, for example, cutting may rot in as little as 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, after 2 or 3 weeks, if fruit seen emerging from the bottom of the pot, it is surely ready to transplant. It is best to advance the plant into larger pot gradually.
Okay.
For advantage of stem cutting, first, many new plants can be started in a limited space from a few stock plants. And second, inexpensive, rapid and simple. And 3, no problem with convertibility as is found with graft. And last, great uniformity of offspring.